Mac once again, and today I'll show you how to install Visual Studio Code and extensions that will help us in developing websites, extensions such as Live Server and Live SAS Compiler. But before we start the video, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be notified if I post new videos. Without further ado, let's start! What is Visual Studio Code? Let's read it on their website. Visual Studio Code combines the simplicity of a source code editor with powerful developer tooling like IntelliSense, code completion, and debugging. Now, most of us, when we started learning HTML and CSS, we just used a simple text editor, which is Notepad. Now, why should we use Visual Studio Code instead of a simple Notepad? Here's the features of Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code features a lightning-fast source code editor, perfect for day-to-day use. Support hundreds of languages. Helps you be instantly productive with syntax highlighting, bracket matching, auto-indentation, bug selection, snippets, and more. Now, if you'd like to know more about the features, you just read it here on their website. Here's the link. To download Visual Studio Code, just go to their website, code.visualstudio.com. And if your operating system is Windows, you can just click here, and if not, you can choose here. Now, I'm done downloading it, so let's proceed to the installation process. Locate your downloaded file. And then click it. Choose I accept the agreement and then click next. And then choose what drive you want to store the VS Code files. After choosing, you can click OK and then click next. And then you can select Start Menu Folder. And then you can just leave it as is. Then click next. Then click. Wait until the installation is finished. Then click finish. And that's it. We have downloaded the Visual Studio Code. Now, let's install the extensions that I have said. The live server. You can search in here, live server. Make sure it's Ritwik Day here. Click install. Okay, that's installed, and then Live SAS compiler, also Ritwik Day, install. That's just it. It's very fast and it's very useful. So I'll show you the use of it. Let's open a folder. I'll show you here my websites that I have created. As you can see, there is a file in here that has a type of SCSS, and that's the use of the SAS compiler. It transpile, or it converts your SCSS file into CSS, and it allows you to code CSS in lesser time, especially if you have numerous class selectors. Okay, as an example for the live server, let's click these the index.html. Let's open with live server and then just allow access it. Now let's delete the header. Let's try to delete the header. Now the live server allows you to make changes and view it live, so there's no need to refresh the page. And that's all. Once again, it's Shifumek. Happy learning!